It's 6:03 a.m. in the morning and still at Fushi Faru in the Maldives. Potter and I are about to have an insane breakfast in this little patio that extends from the ocean. So I'm very excited to show you that. And today's video is about the 3 laws of attraction, concepts that I've talked about before in this channel that I'm going to sum up and talk about again because you need to learn how it's done. Doesn't matter the time of the day, the ocean still stays so blue here. Look at that. I've honestly never seen anything like it. So the 3 laws of attraction, the 3 things that trigger attraction in a woman. Basically, it boils down to the 3 things I keep on talking about, not only on this channel, but in my program Hooked as well. And that's tension, entertainment, and dominance, also known as TED. Here's the problem with this, is that a lot of guys end up focusing on one. Usually they end up focusing on either tension or a lot of guys just focus on entertainment, and pretty much no guys focus on dominance. So in a quick nutshell, what are these 3? Tension is basically like, well, literally that tension that you feel with a girl, i.e. flirting, i.e. showing your intentions, right? When you were with a girl and you guys have this kind of thought, like maybe that other person likes me. That thought, that feeling, that's tension. Entertainment is the idea of going into an interaction and entertaining yourself. More on that in just a minute. And dominance is the ability to lead the interaction all the way through. So all 3 of these things are really what make up triggering attraction. And my theory is that if you don't have all 3 present, you're not going to be able to attract a girl, or at the very least it's going to be very difficult. So for example, let's say that you are doing 2 of them. You are building tension with her, you're teasing her, giving her really good eye contact, really focusing on her. She starts to feel that you're flirting with her. And you are starting to enter the entertainment part of it, meaning you're having a good time, you're entertaining yourself, so she sees that you're enjoying the experience and that you're not trying to get something from her, that you're making your own fun. But then you're not including dominance, which is moving the interaction forward. A lot of guys are too scared to go for the number, go for the date, go for the kiss. They won't move the interaction forward because they don't want rejection. Well then, you're not going to be able to trigger attraction. More importantly, you're not going to be able to do anything because without being able to move forward with her, nothing's going to happen. And a lot of girls are waiting for you to take that lead. That's a masculine trait. Sometimes a guy will try to move the interaction forward without flirting with her at all, without creating any sort of tension between you and the girl, and while still maybe entertaining themselves, making jokes, and then the girl ends up actually putting them either in the friend zone or just rejecting them completely because they're like, wait a minute, I don't want to go on a date with you, I don't like you, I don't want to move forward with you, because they don't feel that tension. So you see how you're having to put all these 3 things into place. It's very important. By the way, I go into great detail here in my program Hooked, which you can check out in the description below or at getherhooked.com, where I teach you how to use these things to be able to trigger attraction. But this is very new to a lot of guys, and this maybe is having some aha moments. So if you're having that aha moment, write down in the comments, aha, like, whoa, I didn't realize this. I didn't realize that these were the 3 things that trigger attraction. I didn't realize that I needed to put this stuff together to make this work. By the way, if you don't think that this is important in a relationship, then you're dead wrong, because you always got to be attracting your partner. For example, Brittany and I were just at this amazing, beautiful sunrise breakfast, okay? And so if you really break down the components of this, think about this. Tension, entertainment, and dominance were there throughout the entire thing, right? So tension, I'm always flirting with her, always teasing with her, always being cute with her, always touching her. And then entertainment, I'm having a good time, I'm joking around, I'm making sure that I myself am having a fun time in the relationship, because if I'm always a downer, or I'm always sad or depressed or just really boring, then it's not gonna be very fun and exciting. And then dominance is getting this whole thing set up, right? I was able to get us here to Fushifaru and set all this up for us. And it's not that I'm sitting here trying to do all these things to get her to continue to like me. It's that I'm providing dominance. I'm making decisions. I'm making things happen. I'm setting things up for us. And that is very sexy. And that is what gets a girl to be attracted to you and to stay attracted to you. Go ahead and press like if this is making sense. Don't forget to check out Hooked. And I'm back at the villa now, and I just want to take a quick second to thank Fushifaru, which is the resort that Brittany and I are staying at. They set up this amazing breakfast for us, and it was just so awesome. It's moments like those. I'm just grateful to be alive that I can experience such cool activities and moments. So Fushifaru, thank you very much. And thank you for watching. Thank you for being a subscriber. And if you haven't, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.